Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can slow down your video in the DaVinci Resolve 16 or slow down your clip in the DaVinci Resolve. So all you have to do is right click on your video in the editing mode, choose change clip speed, also choose ripple sequence and unclick pitch correction because pitch correction can mess up your audio. Go to, for example, 50% and look, it's much longer. If I'm going back, we can say it again, change clip speed. Let's go to 1% and look how long the video will be. And nothing is happening because it's too slow. So, yep, let's make it back. And yep, that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody and goodbye.